Hi friends, welcome to Krishna's Tech Info. In this video, we can see how to install AnyDesk on Ubuntu. AnyDesk is a cross-platform remote desktop connection tool. Using this, you can share your desktop with others. It is similar to TeamViewer and TightVNC and other remote desktop connection tools. It is used to connect remotely to Mac, Linux, and Windows machines to provide support and for other purposes. It can also be used for meeting and collaboration, similar to WebEx and other desktop sharing applications. Now we can see the installation of AnyDesk on Ubuntu. This is the download link you can use to download the AnyDesk. You can use the wget command to download the package. Now the package is getting downloaded. This will take some time. Now the package is downloaded. Now we can install AnyDesk using the command dpkg -i and the package name. Now we are getting some dependency error. We can fix the dependency error using the apt-get-install command. Now give us to download the dependency package. Now the dependency package is installed and also the AnyDesk package is also installed. Now you can see the message. Now run the AnyDesk. You can use the command line. You can also use the menu option in Ubuntu to open the AnyDesk. You can search AnyDesk and you can see the application installed. You can open it. Using this ID, you can control this Ubuntu machine. I'm going to take control of the Windows machine now, which is in the same network. This is the ID of the Windows machine. Now paste it in the remote disk. Now click connect. Now accept the connection. Now you can see the message, it is connected and the session is started. And you can also use the file transfer option to transfer your files. And you can also have the permissions to take control of the system and other options like clipboard and use the file manager and to hear sound and other options. In this video we saw how to install AnyDesk on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching this video. Post your comments and suggestions. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button to get instant notifications on my videos. You can follow me on this Instagram ID and Facebook page. For any queries, you can reach me on this Skype ID.